Hello. Right, let's have a look. This is the second lot. 0.71, so that would be 71 pennies in the pound, so that would be 71%. That then is 71 over 100. Is there anything that will go into both these? No, that's a prime number. That means only it's got no factors. No other number will go into it, leaving a whole number. So that we just, oh, what's that about? Get off. Anybody understand what's going on here? Should we just carry on with it? I mean, why did it do that? Go away. Do you find everything all goes wrong some days? So anyway, so that would be 71 over 100. For goodness sake, didn't it rub off? I don't understand. Well, I'm going to leave it. Persevere. I mean, that's what I'm always telling pupils, isn't it? Keep going regardless. So this one is 31 out of 100. No, naughty me. Did that just move? Didn't it? You keep an eye on it. I'll do the maths, okay? It was 31 out of 50. So we have to make that out of 100 before we can convert it to the other things. So we have to double the bottom. So, I mean, what that would really mean is you've got 31, supposing you've got 50 children, 31 of those have got redhead, and then we've got another 50 children, 31 of those have got redheads. So that would be, see, we can write on top of it, 62 over 100. Well, it won't really let us, will it? Should we carry on? Should we? Yeah, we'll carry on. I'm not happy with it though. So 0.62. And then as a percentage, it went, didn't it? 62%. Do you know what's happening? Do you know what's happening? Do you know what that was even? It's dark magic. 20%. Ah, now this is a good one. 20%. So as a decimal, if it was to two decimal places, it would be 0.20. If you're writing it as money, you'd always write it as that. But to be honest, a decimal has got, if it's got no hundreds, no thousandths, no 10,000ths, no 100,000, you can go all the way to infinity, round the back and up its nose with noughts, and you'll still keep going. So leave those out because it's just, do you think, I think it might be something to do with my pen. Should we carry on? And what am I always telling people? Carry on regardless. Don't give up the work, just keep going. So the decimal there would be 0.2. Then, how many is that? That is 2/10. Do you know that the tenths, if you've got your decimal point, so naught, so that would be tenths, that would be hundredths, that would be thousandths. It's stopping me writing on, is it? So that would be 2/10. Or if you'd kept it to two decimal places, it would be 20 over 100, and then reduce both by 10, which makes it back to your 2/10. So 2/10. Let's find another colour. We'll do some rubbing out. I was hoping it was going to miraculously go. Right, 0.95 with a rather smart purple. 0.95, 95%. Happy? So that would be 95 over 100. What goes into both 5? 5 goes into that once, remainder 4. 5 into 45 goes 9. 5 into, that goes 20. This is distracting me. It's getting on my nerves. When you actually come to do the 11 plus, there will be things that distract you. It could be you've got a windy tummy. You've got to deal with that in a crowded room full of strangers. Just let nature take its course. Or it could be people walking up and down, or it might be quite dramatic, someone being sick, because children get bugs, don't they? But the chances are mostly it will be just somebody sort of wobbling the table or something. But there will be distractions, so learn to live with it. So Sarah, learn to live with that thing there. 19/20. Now the next one is 91/100. 91's a prime number. It is helpful to have learnt these. So that would be 0.91, and then that is 91%. Do you agree with that? What's that dot doing there? Should we get rid of that dot? It just looks a bit confused. Why did it mess up my thing? Persevere, my darlings. Persevere. And so shall I. Bye-bye.